So my name is Ranjit Verma, and uh, I have Harsh Verma with me. He'll be co-host with me, and he'll be talking about mind mapping. So I work in Faurecia somewhere around 4 years now, and mainly I work for commercial vehicle segments. Some of the things which I work, I like to show you, children, and you must get interest out of it. So, some of you might know that Faurecia had acquired one company. This name is Hoog Engineering, and Hoog Engineering products is fitted in these systems. So, some of you might think that why exhaust treatment is required for a marine system, because marine runs on the water and on sea, and the run so far away from the human being. So why do we need to have a treatment system for the commercial vehicle? So if you have that kind of a question, I want you to go through this video. That will be interesting to see that. This is 24-cylinder engine. It's more than 750 horsepower engine. It burns the diesel and emit the polluted gases on the environment, and that creates a problem for the marine animal. So that's where Faurecia plays a role to design such kind of system and fit it into the system where polluted gas enters, gets filtered over here, then gets oxidized, and through this process all the harmful gases gets reduced. Almost 85% of the gases gets purified. So this gas goes to the environment, and that's safe for the marine animal, and that's what it shows here. Is it interesting?
Yeah.
Fine.
What did this do?
So now, apart from professional work, what I do in Faurecia office, I'm also engaged in diversity team, and diversity team where we organize fun activities for the employees. So here I'm part of a food committee team where I have recently visited to the food vendor where I did the audit, how they prepare, what is the environment, how neat and clean they keep the area, so that home kind of food we can get in the office. Here I'm hosting the or instructing for the on yoga day for the employee to do yoga for his own fitness. And here I have won the master chef competition, and this is where I'm participating for the bay decoration. This I'm also interested in doing dance, so I have arranged flash mob. If you are in Bangalore, you must be heard of Vegacity Mall. It's one of the biggest mall in Bangalore where I'm promoting yoga on yoga day. Same thing I'm doing for Forum Mall that most of you would have heard if you are in Bangalore. And also in office, I'm helping people to have a good time during Sankranti. If I come to the technical background, I'm sharing the knowledge of exhaust system to our team members. And I'm graduated of with master degree from Coventry University. I have also talked in give a time for the people to enjoy during the team outing. When your parents goes for the team outing, I'm the person. Sometime I help them to have a good time. Now I'll talk about hers. So hers is performing on his performing dance on his annual day, and he's also a part of a team where he with his co-guitarist he is doing satsang, and this is where he Harsh Verma got graduated with his UKG, and also recently he cleared the Olympiad exam for first standard. And Hers was also part of on International Yoga Day where he's promoting in uh, Vega City Mall of the yoga. So he's doing in front of the people the some yoga technique. Now, so far is it interesting? Are you with me?
Yeah.
Children, how are you having fun at home, or you are getting bored before without friends? How's mute hai?
You all can unmute and answer.
Yeah, unmute for a moment and just tell me, are you enjoying at home? Having fun?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
So are you not bored because of you are not able to meet your friends?
A little bit bored.
You get
Okay.
to learn more things.
Okay, could you repeat?
You get to learn more things about yourself if you're at home.
Perfectly, perfectly. So this is one of the chance also we are connected together and we are learning something new that's going to help us everywhere in our life. Maybe the skill that teach you today, it is going to give you some skill where you can stand out in your school, or this concept will be really interesting. So now, before I go to the topic, I have some question for you. What is your favorite color?
Red. Blue. Pink.
Blue,
Red.
pink,
Red.
red. Okay, so I'm getting
Pink.
White.
Red. Blue.
white
Black.
also. Fine.
Pink.
Pink. Yep.
Pink.
Perfect.
Green.
So I'm getting. So I've got almost 3-4 color like a green, pink, yellow, red. So I think I got more vote for the red. Now, do you know any paint company who manufacture the paint?
Asian Paint.
Any other?
Oh yeah. Faber-Castell. Deluxe.
Deluxe. Yeah, correct.
Nerolac.
Nerolac.
Faber-Castell.
Perfect.
Nippon.
Perfect. You guys are genius.
Faber-Castell.
Oh my God, that's the new one. Now I have a question on this. So suppose I'll pick up the Asian Paint because most of you knows about that. So suppose if Asian Paint people comes to you and ask you, can I paint your home for free? Will you allow them to paint?
Yes. Yes. No.
No. Why? They will paint for free. They won't charge you anything. Will you allow them to paint?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
That's really nice. Now, they might put one condition saying that I will paint for free, but the condition is I will paint every single thing in your home with red color. Like I will paint for your door, your wall, your fan, your TV, your
No.
TV. Still, will you allow them to paint?
No. No. No way. No.
Why?
No.
They are painting for free.
But then everything, it's not good. Because it doesn't good look. We cannot look good. Because I like varieties
Yeah.
of colors.
Yes, I think this is the right one, right answer. Our eyes like varieties. So I will show you a couple of picture. You need to tell me which picture is more attractive to you. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yeah, a lot of energy with you guys. Yep.
Yep.
So I'll share you the first picture. Just tell me which picture looks attractive to you, A or B?
B.
B, yes. Because if you see that every single thing in the picture are same apart from the color. So it means that our brain attracts to the colorful stuff. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay. Next picture is this. Which one you like, A or B?
B.
Okay.
B. B.
Perfect. Perfect, perfect. It means that it again verifies that our brain likes varieties in color. I'll show you one more picture. Which one you like?
A. A.
Are you all sure that you're liking A?
Yes. Yes.
Why?
Because it's colorful.
Yes, we like varieties.
It's colorful.
Perfect, perfect. Now here, what do you see? What do you see here?
Flowers. One pink.
Yes, you are seeing one pink flower. Although we have thousands of white flowers here, but your eyes are attracted towards one pink thing. Why? Because it's standing out in the crowd. Am I right?
Yes. Yes.
So the mind mapping skill which I'm gonna give you, that is gonna help you to make you stand out in front of the population. If you are in school, it is gonna help you to be a better student. Once you reach out to the college, you will know some of the tricks that will help out to stand out. If you are going to work in your office in later stage, there also it will help you to do things better. Are you guys excited now?
Yes. Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Yes.
Fine. Then I'll move it to the session. Now, how this mind map I have got through. So that's an interesting story here that I want to share you. So this is hers, and he had a fancy dress competition in UKG. So where he had to he had to wear a dress and he had to talk about it. So when I wrote about it, it was blunt lines, and it was very difficult for the hers because he was 5 years. So what I thought of, the keywords which I'm putting, where if I put replace with picture, it will be easy to recall. Now I'll ask you one more question. When I say the word mango, what comes to your picture mind?
Yellow color. Tasty.
Yes, yellow color mango shape picture comes, right? So that's the concept I have used. If I tell you air, what kind of thing comes to your mind?
Oxygen. Breathing.
Yeah, so there is no proper
Breathing.
picture of that, right? What is going inside and what is that? So
Yeah.
until you have, so when you have a clear cut picture, your mind or brain picks that, and it can give you the moment you hear that kind of word. Like I gave example for mango. So same technique I have used. Like, have you ever thought why eye related issues are there in children like us? It is because we are exposed to the dusty environment. So for a UKG children, it's very difficult to remember the word like dusty environment, thought. Do you agree with this?
Yes. Yes.
Yes. So we are also prone to watch. Perfect. So the next I'm saying we are also prone to watch TV and mobile phones at home at least 2 hours a day. Research also tells us that the eye related issues are mainly due to vitamin A deficiency. So today I want to tell you that carrot is vitamin A deficiency food, and it is good, vitamin A rich food, and it is good for the eyes. So see how easily a UKG student can speak without seeing this written stuff.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Harsh Verma. I am studying in UKG Section J. My topic is carrot is healthy for the eyes. Have you ever thought why eye-related issues are there in young children like us? It is because we are exposed to the dusty environment. Also, we are prone to watch TV and mobile phones at least 2 hours a day. Research also tells us that the eye related issues are mainly due to vitamin A deficiency. Today, I want to tell you that carrot is vitamin A rich food and it is good for the eyes. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Is it interesting?
Yes.
Yes. So your mind can recall pictures more than the words.
Yes.
Right? So here I learned that the picture is helping children to recall the thing. So next presentation what he had, I have put more picture rather than just a word. So next topic he had to talk about save water. So here I'm saying water is precious gift of nature. We get water from rain, sea, river, lake, well, and dam. So instead of I didn't ask him to remember all these words. Instead I have put him, it's like a rain, it's a river, it's a lake, and it's a dam. So is it easy for you anyone to remember the things? Yeah. So now I will just read the picture, see the picture, and I'll read everything. So we use water for drinking, for taking bath, mopping floor, washing hand, watering to the plants, and harvesting to the field, or even to put the fire. Now I think every one of you can read in same way, right? The way I'm reading.
Yes.
Yeah. So we can't live without water. That cross mark is there. And we don't drink seawater because it is salty. And if we drink polluted water, we get sick. So this is how it can help. So when I had next, he had a next storytelling competition. So there, I just remove all the word and I just put with the picture, reply with the picture, and just gave a keyword. So this is what I'm doing. So like you all know about this story, right? The magical pot. How many of you know that? Raise your hand. Okay, so there was a farmer digging the field with his spade, and while digging, his spade hits a big metal pot. It was big enough to cook food for 100 people. And after digging, he became so tired, and he threw his spade to this big metal pot, and he went to take a rest. Once he got up, he saw that the one spade turned to 100 spade. Then he thought that it's a magical pot, and that's where he put all what he had, like a food, clothes, money, everything, and it became 100-fold, and he became rich. Then the owner of that farmer informed this secret to the king of that area, and king got the water this metal pot. And to find out the secret, the king went inside the pot, and then even king became 100-fold, and each other they found that I am the real king. So each other they fought, and finally they died. Greedy king died. So this is what whole story can be told by seeing the picture. Am I right?
Yes.
So far, is it interesting?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes.
Fine. So using this stuff, I recently has got one topic from his school to say to talk about his experience or everyone's experience at home without friends during lockdown period in India due to the COVID-19. So this I'll explain you this what is it, but before that I will tell you the story how it came up. So first I had to write because this came on Monday, and their school wanted him to tell by Friday. So within 3 days I had to prepare him for the talk. So when I wrote that, it became seat uh, 4 sheet long story. So it's like a sheet number 1, this is 2, 3rd, and 4. Now for any children, it's like a tough to remember all the stuff within 2 days. Am I right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So Harsh Verma straight away he denied, saying that I cannot remember all this thing and I will not be part of allocution. Then I spent a lot of time for him to convince to put some numbers. If you say like, okay, you can just remember the points like point number 1, 2, and remember point by point, but nothing worked because he had less time also. Then I had to find some way to help him so that he can remember the step sequence by. So I tried putting through the pen, okay, here is your first point, what I have written, here is the second point, third point. So while making, he got interest, and I saw that when I made this around 30% he could prepare within half an hour. So I felt, yeah, this is gonna be a breaking things, and that's where I came up of the mind map, and that's where I learned. And now I will ask Harsh Verma to explain same thing line by line. And one, I'm sure when you hear that, even you guys can remember and speak same way. So Hers, can you explain this? Hers, I think you are mute.
Can you imagine the life without a friend? Not only elders, even kids needs a friend to play games, to share their emotions, to study together, or simply to laugh. Do you agree if I say we all can exist without a friend, but we can't live without a friend? Topic: lockdown due to COVID-19. Without friends, I spend my most of my time with my father, mother, and my 2 years brother. My father does official work and solve problems in engineering work. My mother cook food for us. I know some few of recipes to make gulab jamun, jalebi, nimki, bunya, etc. I play with my 2 years brother. We do drawing together. We watch TV together. We ride on a twist car together. I teach him counting 1 to 13. My father taught me addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. That is going to help me in second standard. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Yeah. So now, so I shifted my mind from writing the notes to drawing the notes. And this is where I found that this mind mapping can be useful to every single one. Do you agree this?
Yes.
Yeah, you can all unmute and speak if you have something to say.
Yes.
Perfect. So the point is, right now, whatever you or today you might be studying in your school some books. So right now you are remembering to write the exam, but once the exam gets over, you will not be able to recall all the thing. But I'm sure that when you go to the next standard or the after next standard, you will think, when you go through the chapter, you will remember that, okay, same thing I had learned in second standard or the previous year. So that if I can recall that, that will be easy for me to read through the current chapter. So in that case, you will start searching the books, and it will be very difficult for you to search the books, and you may not get it, and you might get the interest, because our mind works like that. First it will trigger you with the thought, or you will have some desire, but with that desire doesn't get fulfilled immediately, that idea itself will get dropped. Do you agree with this point?
Yes.
So when you have this kind of thing drawn in your notebook, anytime, even after 5 years, if you want to look at this and recall what you have learned in particular chapter or particular book, then immediately you can just speak about the topic. So same thing what Hers has explained. We have a YouTube video created, and that is saved. That link is shared here, so you can take a snapshot if you want, and later you can watch around this video. So it will explain how easy for you to remember the thing. So now I will talk about how mind map helps you in increasing your concentration. So actually, mind map enhances your concentration, because same thing you can recall anytime later down the line. It can increase the remembrance because it is backed up with the picture. Obviously it is going to increase your creativity, because you have to put the things in different way, or you not the usual way which you have practiced so far. And it helps you to flow the thoughts the way it is. Always you can frame the sentence if you remember the keywords. Now, benefit of mind map. So drastically it reduced the noting time, because you would have seen that this 4 sheet what I had to write, I could just draw within one line. So it can reduce drastically the noting time. Also, if you want to refer this down the line, immediately you can open the page and refer, and you get to know that what I have read in that particular class or particular day or particular book. And to review complete thing, if you want to review complete book, it's gonna take a lot of time. But to review the one sheet, it's not gonna take so much time. Within 5 minutes you can have a power play, and you can know that, okay, these are the thing I had read about these things. So each mind map can be different for every single one of you. So as I told you before, it is a paradigm shift from writing your notes to the drawing a notes. Do you guys with me? Tell me if I'm with you, if you are if you find interesting.
Yes.
Are you with me?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So this is another mind map which I had created on leadership. You all know that to become future lies on the leadership. So where you need what are the things you need to remember. So what happen every time you read something, you forget something. But if you just see there, you will recall, okay, I need to do this and I need to follow this also. Now, all those things what I have shown, that was done by me. Now I'm not here to talk about me, what I have done. I'm here to give you a value where you need to learn the thing and you need to start drawing this thing together. So I want to add massive value to your life. So I want you guys to take up the pen or white sheet or the color, the best color which you have with you, and start drawing couple of mind map, and I will guide you through online. Is it a good idea?
Yes.
Okay, so you all can
Yes.
unmute.
Yes.
I have written the same topic and I have reduced the thing, and to help you here, I have written what are the thing you need to draw. So you can just refer this sheet and start putting point by point so that if you stuck anywhere, I'll be able to help you.
Keep your cameras on so we can see you. Will help us help you better.
Some hints also, I'm just putting it here so that you may use some shapes or patterns, some colors, symbols, shades, or dot. So you can go like a big to small. You can make like a tree, like a thicker branch till to the thinner. You can maintain spacing between the lines. Or write up so that it will be very clear to you to read. You can mix up the tall to short letters. You may use some codes.
You can use your imagination completely, make it as colorful as you can, and whatever helps you remember, just do it. We'll get into it with you. We want to see how your mind works.
So center, you can put the topic like I had done for the mind map here. It was like a home shape where you had a lockdown, and this is the coronavirus picture, all those things and stuff. Whatever drawing you want to put it, don't think this is not right or that, this notes will be for yourself and you need to refer. It's not for anyone else. So that's why you can just start writing anything the way you feel. So I would request parents to help them. At start, I think children would require help. So I think parent can sit together and you can help them like how to draw, from where to start, how to end. It'll be like a tree branches.
You can use your mind maps for speeches and elocution competitions, just to remember really difficult notes and all of those things.
So if you need any help, I'm just showing that
Yes.
one, that picture again so that you can connect with. You can write any words. Make sure that the length of the word and like the length of the line should be somewhat equal, and it should start from the thick base to the thinner one.
Ranjit, we cannot see your screen yet.
I can see the screen.
Okay, I can't.
Oh,
Okay, I can see it now.
okay.
Okay.
Does anyone need any help? No? Okay.
Everyone's really engrossed in their drawing. Guys, you have 4 minutes more. Then you have to show us what you've done so far. You will have the time to complete your mind maps. This is just the starting point.
Harsh, why don't you start drawing now?
I'm sure you can still finish in time.
So Harsh's challenge is to finish it in 2 minutes. Okay guys, does anyone need any help? Is anyone ready with the mind map?
Do you all need any ideas to draw your mind map?
Okay, so you have
Done.
Done?
I'm almost done.
Almost done?
okay, so anyone who's done, please hold up your mind map to the screen.
To your screen so that we can see it.
I didn't do the colors.
It's okay.
Okay,
Just
you
show it
have
so
time
yeah.
to do the colors. Now this one is that's really nice.
Wow.
Did you see mine?
Yes.
Yes, I can see yours. Okay.
Okay.
And who else is done with this?
Me. Who's cafe?
Okay,
Soham.
okay,
Yeah,
show it
this
to
is
us.
Arya.
perfect. You are going very nice. Hasini. That looks very nice. Really
Thank
nice.
you.
Ranjeet, were you able to see Louise's?
No.
Okay, Louis, can you? Lucy. Oh my
Lucy.
God.
Yeah.
Lucy,
You
I'm
got
so
confused
sorry.
between Eloise and Lucy.
And
So I have
yes. I think you are very close, and this is how it has to be done. Very nice. You could draw almost 80% of the stuff because the timing is a little crunchier. So I think whatever you could do, it's a wonder. You are a fast learner.
Lovely. Who else is left? Soham has colored his as well.
Lovely, Soham.
Ranjeet, what do you think about this one?
So I'm right. Let me see the other picture. Oh, that's the perfect. This is how it has to be. This is perfect. I liked it, and almost everything is there. There's no improvement is required. You have drawn the line perfect. You have written. It's not very long lines. You have done the graphics. So this is how the notes can be drawn. If you are at school or home, you should not get surprised. Whole book can be wrapped up in one page like this, and anytime you can refer either 5 years down the line or 10 years down the line. So it down the line you will be really saved up on making the mind map. So I think this is how it should be. Thank you, Soham.
Arya, Sahil.
Arya, Rugved, Sahil, Adya.
Your cameras are off. Can you all turn on your webcams?
Turn on your webcams and show us your mind map. You'll have the time to complete your mind maps. So just show us what you've done so far. Sahil, what have you done? Hold your mind map to the screen, please.
Can you hear me?
Yes,
Yes.
now.
Yes.
Ma'am, I haven't like fully completed.
No,
but
whatever you've done, you can show us.
Yeah.
like nothing mostly.
No, actually,
all right.
Actually,
It's
it takes
okay.
time, so no problem. If you have drawn even
No.
one line,
I was just thinking what can I write and then make it better, but I didn't have that like
Okay, so
time.
that's a very good
Bye.
you are bringing. Yeah, hi. Sardesh, very good point you have brought in, because you are saying that you are thinking what to draw. So actually the key of mind map is whatever comes to your mind, you should start drawing. You should not think like this is right or this is wrong. Anything,
Okay.
whatever is coming, because this notes is for you, not for
Yeah.
anyone in this world. So you have to refer this later, and you have to remember the thing when you go and talk in front of the people. So
Yes.
if you can understand,
Yeah.
that's enough. Okay.
Mhm.
So whatever comes to you, you should just start putting it. Because I'll just tell you the thing which I have drawn, I didn't draw with my just referring to myself. I whatever picture was not coming, like suppose imagine. So when we have images, so a lot of things can come, like a cloud, it can come, speaking symbol, it can come about the bulb kind of stuff. So now everything, like it is difficult for us to draw. So what I do is I like to show you guys here. Very good point you have brought in here. So in general, I just go to the Google, and suppose I want to write for lock. So if you put the Google image, you will find thousands of logs or lock symbol. You can type anything, you can type, and now you can pick up whatever is easy for you. So like for lock, I got to know that okay, this is the shape it should be. So I've taken this shape of the lock, and if you put a home or house, you will get this kind of thing. So whatever is easy for you to draw, like I have drawn this one. So this way you can draw it. Obviously it immediately it won't come all the way, because to be frank, I have touched the drawing or painting things maybe when my child started drawing the thing. So before that I have never drawn anything. Even a house I have not drawn in my when I was in school. So that's fine, completely fine. What you are the thing is coming, you can just take the help of media or the technology. Okay, thank you for bringing this point, Sadish. Any other
Sahil.
has a doubt? Sahil.
Yeah. Yes.
Anyone else has? Yep, tell me.
Sahil, do you have any questions?
No. Yeah, they briefly explained me, so I get it.
Okay.
Adhya.
Adya, can you bring it a little closer to the screen, to the camera?
Yes.
A
Yes, it's a
little.
nice one.
It's nice and
Yes,
colorful.
very colorful.
So is anyone else left to show us their mind map?
Hers, how much have you done? Just you can show it up.
Harsh is still drawing his. Okay, so I see.
We put Harsh in the spot and made him draw it in under
Look,
5 minutes.
Okay, it's too close to the camera. Can you bring it a little behind? It's too close to the camera. Papa, we can't see the entire Hanji. Yeah, that's good.
Yes, nice. This
Oh,
is
yeah. Someone's wearing a mask. Thank you, Rugved. Then there is Harsh.
Harsh, put little up. It's not visible. Little upside. Yep. It's very nice. It's colorful. Bring it little closer to the camera. Yeah. Yes, it's very nice.
Very nice.
So Ranjit, what do you think about the mind maps that the kids have drawn?
I think it's very nice, and this is just the start. They have got the idea of how to draw the mind map. They can all take a help of Google image, and they are where they can put their creativity to make it more attractive, and that will be really nice.
Okay, so kids, do you have any questions about how to make a mind map, or anywhere you were stuck during making a mind map that you would want to ask Ranjit?
No.
Or
No.
I think you can just have your mind map ready, and later you can, if you have any doubt, you can come back to me writing through email, or you can ask your father. They can come back to me to show that, and I can guide them what else can be done on this. Is it fine?
So we want to create more mind maps and share them with us. Okay, you can complete this mind map, make it colorful, use your imagination, and share
Send
it with
pictures to us.
Yeah, send pictures to us. We always love to see your work.
a couple of mind map I have created for complete book. So it is not that what I don't want you to explain the books what I have written, but just want to give you a glimpse that whole book you can summarize in one page that is interesting to you, and over and down the line if you want to refer the thing what point is going to help me, those you can just while reading chapter wise you can draw one line or two lines, or like here author says about how to deal with the feeling of a people. So you need to compliment, you need to listen to them, you can talk with the people. So when you say that you need ask the questions, how to send the positive vibes, so to send the positive vibe, like be positive, be enthusiastic, and ask yes kind of question, like you can nod your head. So it's all the soft skill which author is talking in this book. So that what I wanted that soft skill to be used, it might be used for me in the future, so that I have drawn it. So same thing I have done for different books, like this is called Getting Things Done. It is mostly useful for official thing. So it is not about the book, it is about the how mind map can be useful for me, because now if I see just this sheet, everything I can recall what was there in the book. The same with the other book, and 7 Habits of Highly Effective People. This is quite a big book. It has around 300 pages. So that I read and I could summarize in one page. So again, I'm saying this mind map is just the start. It's not the end. The end will be it's here. So same for the same book, there was a different mind map was created, and that I got it through my reference. And do you see how attractive it is? Does it look attractive to you? You can unmute and say
Yes.
Yes.
yeah. So this requires some software skill. You need to learn different skill, and you can put it in more graphical way. Yeah, fantastic. I like this voice. Who said this? So this can be done in different way, and that's how finally it has to be. So I am learning on this. So I think you all guys can be with me. And this is not a new concept. When you type in in the Google the mind map here, you will see thousands way of creating the mind map. So I think all whatever you did a fantastic job, and you can just explore the way you are doing it. You can spend some time, and you can whatever you are reading, try to make a notes out of it, and you can refer after a month or end. So it will be very much helpful during the exam. You can just whole book, you can like you can just refer, and you can get all the points recalled. Even the questions you can not only write, you can draw your question. Does it sounds interesting?
Yes.
Yeah, thank you. So
Yes.
so thank you for being with me till the end. Yep, perfect. I like the voice.
So thank
So
you, Ranjit,
Rachna,
and thank you everyone who joined in
Joining
today.
in,
I
yes.
hope we've taught you something that you'll be using. And please send us your mind maps. We want to see them. And thank you so much. We hope to see you next time.
yeah, welcome.
Thank you.
I'm sure you
Bye.
will be a better.
Enthusiastic voice.
Yep.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Bye.
See you next time. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.